You need to have talents. Of course, if we can be good at doing a lot of different things, but usually where we stand out is with something we are really good at it. For example, if you take somebody like a tennis player, they're really good at playing tennis. If you take a great singer, great dancer, a writer, they have a talent for that. And even for some, maybe they don't have the talent, but they've worked really hard, and now they have developed serious skills. But I want to talk about like the talent as a base. It's the talent as something that oriented you to do something. I want to talk about talent in the sense that it started somewhere. Now you're really good at something, but how did it start? For some people, an amazing dancer, that person had a natural talent for dance. Some people worked really hard to become really great dancer, but usually you're gonna see that it started with a natural talent. And what is really important here is because that natural talent also, when you practice, it helps you to feel less tension because you know that this is something you're really good at. At the same time, you also have to make sure that you like doing it, because some people are really good at something, but that's not what they do today and how they change the world today.